Someone just copied my AI agent and gets 500 hot leads in weeks. But here's the crazy part. He's not even the biggest success story. The system I'm about to show you at number 3, well, after all 6 figures deals from it. So, if you stick around, these 5 AI systems I'm about to show you could completely change your income starting today. I'm Oumnya. I spent the last 12 years in tech, the last 3 building AI automations that businesses pay serious money for. What I'm about to show you is exactly how these systems work. Alright, so the first system is the one he copied. And what it does is it takes the search criteria you give it and automatically finds qualifying leads that matches the exact criteria that you're looking for. Look at what he said in his post. He's targeting AI founders in Series A startups in Germany. The system found him 87 verified leads, all perfectly matched to his search criteria. But here's what makes this insane. I've built a custom version of this same system for clients, selling each implementation for at least 30K plus a monthly subscription. The customization is where the real value comes in. I connect it to wherever their leads actually hang out, and then automatically feeds everything directly to their own CRM. So instead of just scraping LinkedIn like everyone else, I'm pulling qualified prospects from industry forums, social platforms, and even competitor websites. Then the system automatically organizes everything in their existing sales pipeline, so they can start calling immediately. The results, my clients are getting so many qualifying leads in their CRM that they literally cannot manage them all. And that's a good problem to have. Now I put together the complete step-by-step breakdown with videos and templates. You'll find everything in my school community and the videos in the description below. But stick around because I'll show you exactly what to get the updated version that I'm actually using in my own business right now. Now here's the problem I discovered after getting all those leads. I was drowning in LinkedIn messages. When that lead generation system starts working, your inbox becomes absolute chaos. I was spending over 10 hours weekly just managing my LinkedIn messages manually, constantly missing opportunities just because I couldn't keep up with the volume. The inbox was pure chaos. Responses were inconsistent, and I was losing potential business opportunities because of poor follow-up. So Max and I built LinkedOut. Now, I literally don't use LinkedIn directly anymore. Every message gets analyzed by the system. I get multiple response options based on my proven templates. Everything organized automatically, so I can focus on quality conversation instead of managing chaos. The results? I've replaying over 10 hours weekly. That's 500 plus hours annually I'm now spending on revenue-generating activities instead of managing inbox. And the best part? It is completely open source. You can deploy it yourself, no licenses, and no subscription fees. And if you want to see how Max and I build it, just watch the video you find in the description. Now, getting all those leads is great, but here's where most people mess up. They don't know how to close them. That's where system number 3 comes in. After the word the best sales gurus into my personal consultant, available 24/7. So when I'm writing emails to those qualified leads from system 1, and I need to handle objections or craft the perfect pitch, I literally consult AI Hormozy in real time. Its framework, its language, its patterns, and its closing techniques, all based on its actual content. It's like having Alex Hormozy writing my sales emails with me for the cost of an AI subscription. But here's the meta part. This video you're watching right now, the script structure, the hook, the transitions, all came from AI versions of vidIQ, Callaway, and Edlords, and other YouTube gurus giving me their best practices through the system. And here's the business opportunity. Companies saw this and wanted to earn words. They pay in serious money to turn their top salespeople into an AI that works 24/7. When your best closer become an AI agent working around the clock, the ROI is insane. The complete setup process and templates are in the school community, and the video is in the description below. Now get the leads coming in from system 1, managing the inbox chaos with system 2, and closing deals with the help of my AI gurus in system 3. But here's the problem I ran into. I was drowning in all the project management, follow-up, and coordination. That's when I built Charlie, my AI employee that works 24/7 without any sick days. Charlie manages my entire team's calendar and tasks, handles all the project management for those clients I'm close with. Imagine having someone remind your team about deadlines, juggle recurring tasks, and make sure everyone is on the same page. Let's say I want to check on my team members. Watch this. So I'm gonna go into Slack. Hey Charlie, what's Ameline working on right now, please? Alright, it's sent. And we got a message from Charlie, so I get 2 messages. The
tasks into the Slack. I also get voice.
Online Mamming currently has no tasks marked as in progress, or all her assigned tasks are completed. Let me know if you'd like more details.
Alright, since Ameline doesn't have any task in progress, let me add one to her plate. Okay, cool. Add research competitor pricing to Ameline's to-do list for tomorrow. It's an urgent task.
The task research competitor pricing has been added to Online Mammon's to-do list. It's marked as high priority and needs to be completed by tomorrow.
Alright, you can see. And Ameline has also been sent a Slack message to tell her that she has a new task. And the task is also available inside our task management platform.
And she can actually run that lead generation system herself.
Hi Charlie, I need to find some CEOs of top AI agencies in Paris. Let's make it 10, send it to me via Slack.
I've sent your request to the Charlie system. You should receive the list of 10 CEOs of top AI agencies in Paris via Slack soon.
Later on, I can check back with Charlie through Slack or whatever I pinged her to get an update on the progress.
But it gets better. Charlie also creates content using the system I'll show you next. So she's not just managing projects and calendars. She's actually growing my business while handling all the client work. Project manager, calendar coordinator, lead generator, and content creator, all in one AI employee. The revenue impact? Well, when you replace what would normally cost 6-figure in staff with an AI system, then sell that same system to other businesses, you've got cost saving and revenue generation happening simultaneously. And I've already closed multiple deals selling Charlie to other companies that own their own AI employee. If you want the full Charlie breakdown, watch the video in the description. And if you want the template, you can find it in the school community. And his fifth system is how I'm scanning everything you just saw. It's my content repurposing system, actually part of Charlie, and it replaced hours of manual competitor research that was draining my creative energy every week. I was constantly trying to come up with new video ideas, analyzing what works for other creators, adapting successful concepts. Now, Charlie does it all. Charlie's YouTube agents monitors my competitors automatically, analyzing the top performing scripts and comments, spots trending topics, and generates scripts adapted for my style and audience. Here is the meta proof. This system is literally growing this channel you're watching right now. Every video idea, every hook, every script structure comes from this automation. But it doesn't stop at YouTube. Saying trending topics get adapted from my Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Every platform gets its own optimized version of the same winning topics. And there is the crazy part. Some of the tools I use to build my AI harmonic system, they came from content ideas generated by this automation. It's all interconnected. One system feeds another. The complete content repurposing system will drop in the school community soon. Now I've promised you the updated version of that lead generating system that got him 500 plus leads. Here's the deal. This new complete system is what I'm using right now in my business. Same powerful results, but it's built for production use instead of just for test. It's dropping in the school community this week. Keep an eye out for it. But before you go, if this video helps you see what's possible with AI systems, hit that subscribing, like the video, and comment what you want to see next. And join the school community, where it's free. All the templates, setups, and step-by-step guides are waiting for you there. Your AI empire starts now.